We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we have a 2011 Harley Davidson V-Rod Night Rod Special. This bike does have ABS. Has that beautiful Barracuda silver coloring, accented with the black engine. Has the 2-up seat. Great sounding exhaust, which we'll listen to here in a second. And the racing stripes have flames in them. Really subtle, really well done. Miles are 16,403. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.